With the new law, the DG courses become hybrid. This means that different elements are required for the system to be allowed to issue your certificate. The following 3 conditions must be fulfilled in the right order. First, e-learning course including test completed. Second, practical training has taken place. Third, practical assessment has been done. To complete the new course, enter mygft.com as usual. You will find the course at the bottom of the page under My Trainings. Here you will see the required elements, including the practical evidence. Clicking on the arrow under Actions will take you to the detailed overview and the Start button for your online training. Once you have logged into the learning platform, work through the individual course modules, take the final test, and give us feedback. If you do not see the final test or feedback, please clear your browser cache. When all this is done, you will see the progress in your overview. The e-learning is now green, the rest is still red. After completing the e-learning module, contact your training manager for an appointment for the practical module. Your training officer will then either notify you of the appointment via Crew Overview, you will receive an email, or they will make an appointment directly with you. You can see the appointments enrolled via Crew Overview here. Once you have completed the practical training and the assessment, all items will turn green. You will see the certificate here or under My Certificate here. If something is not clear, please contact support@ngft.com.